a Gambia squad where every outfield player and the bench that they have plays in Europe. It shows the level, the quality that they have. Minte, he plays in the best league in the world, and yeah, you leave him 1 against 1. There's only one outcome going to be, and you saw the difference between the two squads. Their squad, everyone playing in Europe, and our squad having half that's local and half that's international, and there's just slightly a little bit of difference in quality between the two, but I'm pleased for the boys that made the step up to international level and see how physical and how fast and how quick the game is, and how you make one mistake, you get punished for it. So yeah, and I know from here onwards it's a learning curve, but it's a learning curve in the right direction. So a lot positive to take from that, and having to assess the game again and then see what changes can we bring for the next match on Tuesday against Seychelles, and hopefully it will be positive like the second half was for us. So.
Ryan Ogam pulls one back.